All over the planet, drones are starting to find their place in our lives. They make daily tasks easier, innovate industries, and make the impossible possible. And while they're at it, they're doing a lot of good too. One of the incredible ways drones are helping make tomorrow a better place is with environmental protection projects like the ones happening along the Irrawaddy River of Myanmar. In the past, a group of villagers was responsible for replanting over 2.7 million mangrove trees in an attempt to begin restoring the disappearing ecosystem. But with the help of drones, a local nonprofit is speeding up and streamlining the tree planting project, allowing locals to cover a much larger restoration area. The drones from the startup Biocarbon Engineering can plant as many as 100,000 trees in a single day, which leaves the local community more time to focus on caring for the younger trees that have already started to grow. Along with helping reduce the effects of climate change, drones are also aiding in the research and preservation of endangered species, like with the snotbot. Snotbots are custom-built drones which hover in the air above a surfacing whale to collect the blow, or snot, exhaled from its lungs. It's a simple adaptation to how whale research is conducted, but one which allows scientists to study the ocean's most majestic creatures without endangering the animals. Now, whale snot isn't the only way drones are helping preserve life around the world. This past hurricane season was one of the most destructive on record, with floodwaters and 100-mile-per-hour winds wreaking havoc across the Atlantic. In the past, bringing relief to the worst areas of destruction was difficult. Rescue crews would have to assess damage from the ground, and without the aid of helicopters, finding those in dire need of rescue was almost impossible. But with drones, search and rescue efforts have speed on their side. Drones can view larger rescue areas faster than a typical helicopter, can be deployed quicker, and require less money, time, and experience. Drones are also helping after a disaster with their ability to quickly assess damaged areas. From bridges to power lines, they can pinpoint problem areas and determine whether an area is safe. On top of saving animals and helping during disasters, drones are innovating how things get delivered around the world. In 2016, a very lucky New Zealand couple became the first people in history to have pizzas delivered to their home via drones. And Amazon, the world's largest online retailer, is also developing a service called Prime Air, a drone delivery system designed to safely get packages to customers in 30 minutes or less. The potential for drones is limitless. They help protect endangered rhinos, fight wildfires, and even deliver medical supplies. Every day, new innovations are being introduced, and STEM-powered inventors and developers are pushing drones to their limits. Drones are invigorating our world, making our lives easier, and launching science to new heights. So, how will you use drones for good?